Have you ever wished for a reset button in life? What if I told you? One tiny creature found it. Meet Turritopsis Dohrnii, also known as the immortal jellyfish. It's barely the size of your fingernail, translucent and basically invisible to predators, but it holds a secret more powerful than any mythical elixir. How can a jellyfish be immortal? Not by living forever, but by starting over. When threatened, old, or injured, it reverts its cells. It literally turns itself back into a baby. Not metaphorically. It doesn't heal like us. It rewinds time, biologically. Imagine growing old and then waking up in a crib again. But how does it work? Scientists discovered that this jellyfish can transform its adult cells into earlier types, a process called transdifferentiation. In human terms, it's like turning a heart cell into a skin cell, then turning all of them back into youth. No surgery, no magic, just evolution at its weirdest. So why isn't the ocean full of immortal jellyfish? Because they can still be eaten. They can still starve. They're not gods, just survivors with a unique trick. But the real question is, could we learn from them? Could this slippery, silent creature hold the key to reversing aging in humans? It's not science fiction anymore. It's already science. And it started with a jellyfish that refused to die.